Hello kids, I am Miss Nutei. Today, let's continue with the sound of A. The A sound of A. App. A, P, app. App. And the A sound of A. Egg. A, G, egg. Egg. Let's start with the A sound of A. App. App. Now look and listen and say the word. This is a cap. Cap. Let's spell the word. C A P. Cap. Cap. This is a tap. Tap. Let's spell the word. T A P. Tap. Tap. This is a map. Map. Let's spell the word. M A P. Map. Map. Now let us repeat the A sound of A. App. App. Let's look at the picture and say the word 2 times each. Ready? Start. Cap. Cap. Tap. Tap. Map. Map. Great. Okay, let's continue with the A sound of A. Egg. A, G, egg. Egg. This is a bag. Bag. Let's spell the word. B A G. Bag. Bag. This is a tag. Tag. Let's spell the word. T A G. Tag. Tag. Now let us repeat the A sound of A. Egg. Egg. Let's look at the picture and say the word 2 times each. Ready? Start. Bag. Bag. Tag. Tag. Good job, everyone.